second half begins. Martin Javier, Bo Belga. Ikalawang laban ngayong araw na to. This is Nobi Lucero getting a start for EAC. So talagang ito yung game plan ni Coach Jerson Cabildes. Each game, ibang point guard yung kanyang gagamitin. After the halftime break, this is a snatch on the rebound by Hubilia. Jeco Bangkale, who remains as a starter here for Mapua. Forward pass. Pagsanhan, straight to the cup.
Ayun naman, good find para dito kay Lucero. Itong si Pagsangan talagang nag-leak out doon, nauna siya. Hindi na kayang depensa ni Cuenco.
At mukhang takbuhan ang gusto nitong EAC.
Oo, nandiyan na naman si Lucero eh.
Yeah. Tignan natin, parehong team to looking to up the tempo. 4 to shoot for the Cardinals. Escamis from mid-range, no. Aloftana secures.
Ayun na naman si Lucero.
Look at this.
Finding Pagsangan. Masyadong malakas lang. Masyadong advanced actually yung pasa ni Lucero.
Yeah.
Good intention pero ito yung unang pass hanap ni Lucero kay Pagsangan.
Second basket of the game for Harvey Pagsanhan after going 1 out of 6 in the first half. A quick substitution for Mapua. Cuenco sits and Aguimeñi comes in.
Maganda kasi ang nilaro ni Aguimeñi nung second quarter natin. Yeah. Even if it doesn't make a score, he's doing a difference of getting the rebounds, playing defense.
Harvey Pagsanhan again on the break. He's off to a fantastic start here. And for EAC, ito yung binanggit ni Coach Jerson from the previous game. Gusto niya yung mga puntos nila nagsisimula sa defensive stop. 2 sequences here in the third. Gumana yan. Pero si John Habunete nails the floater.
Kanina niya pa sinusubukan yun kaya lang puro malalakas.
Nobi Lucero gets fouled by Habunete. Let's use this opportunity. In a bit, we'll hear the report of Christine San Agustin. But we continue with the game. Nobi Lucero. Talagang pag gusto mo ng pangdiin ng basketball. Diba? Si Nobi Lucero pinapasok.
Dati, from last year, it was Ochabo.
Yeah.
Pag pinasa mo talagang ratrata, kumbaga tantantini eh.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, ito, from the previous game against Arellano is Lucero started the third quarter and then yun, nagtuloy-tuloy ang positive ng EAC.
Very gritty point guard itong si Nobi Lucero. Alright, let's go back court side from the dugout. Nandito ang report ni Christine San Agustin. Christine.
Energy is contagious, so make sure that you're giving off the right one. Yan ang reminder ni Coach Randy Alcantara sa Mapua Cardinals as he reiterated that they are drawing motivation and strength from each other, and so it is imperative to keep their energy up and positive to make redemption possible. Meanwhile, dugout was a little intense for the Generals as Coach Jerson told them hindi sila makakabawi by merely shooting, and the reason why they were able to keep up for a while is because they strengthened their defenses. Without Coach Jerson reminded them to speed up the game dahil hindi na raw siya papayag na sila ay madaan-daanan lang ng kalaban. Yan muna ang balita mula sa courtside, Martin and Boy.
Christine, maraming salamat. And as you say that, it's another takeaway for EAC. You see them run the other way here. Kinal off the screen. Kinal knocks it down.
And they're really stepping on the gas. Dito sa pagkakuha nila ng rebound, naratrat na. Kung sino makakuha, Pagsangan, Lucero, whoever gets the ball, talagang tinatakbo na nila.
That is the major adjustment. Sabi nga sa report ni Christine para dito sa EAC, step back jumper for Clint. Contested. But this is another pickpocket by EAC. 41-35.
Offensive rebound na naman sana para sa EAC. Kaya lang nasa doon itong Lucero.
Ang ganda ng harap! Lucero to Kinal! And Lucero is bringing out the goggles here inside of Pinoy Electrical Center. Baba ang abante ng Mapua sa 4 na puntos. We got a timeout on the floor. Magbabalik po kami. Just off to the side. 7-point lead for Mapua. Inot. Still nothing for Enot. And here comes Clint Escamis under a minute to go. Escamis zooming straight to the cup.
Too easy for the MVP.
Second takeaway for Tony Enot. Cometa steps into a 3. Left it short, Mangubat comes away with it. Forward pass. Escamis is ahead of the EAC Generals are turning it up here in the third quarter. A lot of fast break points and opportunities, Big Bo.
Oo, yun naman yung sinabi ni Coach Gerson sa dugout nila. Kasi nung second quarter, they keep on missing point blank mga tira eh. Pero sabi niya, hindi na siya papayag na pagdating ng third is mabagal sila sa ano. Kaya ito si Lucero tsaka si Pagsangan. If they got the ball, ayan, ito yung mga, alam mo yung mga, pag natutulog ka, nakatingin ka dun sa mga ano, ay, naku po. May nakita yung referee natin doon.
Si Lucero tsaka si Mangubat.
Yun naman yung kailangang iwasan nito ni Lucero. Kasi nga, nagiging major piece na siya dito sa sistema ni Coach Gerson. Those tiki-taki fouls, makaka-apekto sa kanya. Pag nag-foul trouble siya, sit down. Hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari kapag iba na yung pumasok. Diba?
That's right. Pero ito, the referees let it go. At tuloy tayo. Action sa third quarter, Lawrence Mangubat, who exploded for 9 points in that second frame, is now in the game. Cuenco, Mangubat off the catch, all air, and EAC comes away with it. Ball is with Nobi Lucero. He engineers this offense. Lucero still surveying the floor. He will take this one himself. Difficult take. That one rims out.
Pinilit ni Lucero yung atake niya doon. He was looking for Pagsangan on top, kaya lang hindi na libre si Pagsangan, kaya yun.
We have a foul on the other side. Bagsak si Cuenco.
It's foul on Kenal.
Substitution, pushing foul on number 14. His first foul.
Ito yung kaninang mainit na si Recto.
Alright, let's check out
16
the action
seconds
here.
on the shot
Yeah,
clock.
that was on Nico Kinal for sure. Nadula si Cuenco. Recto.
Kakapasok lang yan.
Sabi ni JC Recto, kahit umupo ako ng matagal, mainit pa rin ako. 10 points na for JC.
Matagal lang ako nakaupo pero ganun pa rin ako kainit. Eto, mainit din to.
Recto. Hobilia now on the move, doesn't have the numbers, so he will wait for his troops. Recto, another one, left it short this time. 44-37. EAC doesn't want to let this go dahil nakalapit na sila dito. Loristo, couldn't finish. And
So, limis na
ending up with
naman para
Cuenco.
dito sa EAC. Tutukan eh.
Oh, yeah.
Talagang nakakapanghinayang yun kung ikaw ang nasa offense.
Hobilia, nakawala. Mintis lang i-layup, Igliane. Offensive board. And he gets the contact afterwards.
Follow
Nadulas na
number
dito
9,
si
Harvey
Cuenco
Pagsangan.
pero
Second foul.
eto si Recto.
Mr. Team foul.
Walang madudula sa akin bola.
Yeah. Tamo, tagal niya hindi naglaro ha.
Oo, almost
Diba?
isang quarter.
for
Isang quarter siya
Wilmer
nasa
Odao.
bench kasi nga he's in foul trouble. Yun ang
Two free throws
yun nga yung ano
by
natin
Mark
eh. No?
Agliano.
If you were a major piece of the team, you tend not to be in foul trouble as early as you can.
That's right.
Diba?
Ano, kailangan mas matalino ka.
Oo,
sa
mas
pagdepensa.
mautak ka na, mas magulang ka na ngayon. Kung there's an easy layup na alam mo, mapafoul ka lang, huli ka na, let them go.
Yeah.
Yun yung ano na lang doon.
And that's expected from Recto because this is his second year already.
Oo, and
Diba?
he's one of the veterans.
That's right.
Him, Escamis, Cuenco.
Yeah.
Tapos after that, puro bata na eh. Puro mga bagito na to eh.
1 out of 2 for Igliane. By the way, low-key good numbers for Igliane here. 2.7 rebounds. And Gortiza from on top. King to Harvey. Harvey for 3. No. Rebound snatched by Cuenco.
They're really taking the ball, the rebounds really well on this.
Tumapuan, no?
Oo. Natuto na sila.
Oo.
They lost the game. Oh! Ayun na naman.
Tanong pihit, pero wala yung tira. Scramble for the ball. It goes the other way.
Kanina pa itong si
Substitution.
Jubilia.
Axel
Puro point
Roman
lang eh. Nandun na
for
siya
RP
eh. Hindi niya
Pansana.
may shoot lang eh.
Yun yung kulang kay Chris.
Oo,
ano?
kanina meron siya. Eto na naman. Malakas lang talaga eh.
Oh, these are good looks from
Oo.
point blank range.
The first one was short.
Yeah.
Ito namang spin move niya. Malakas naman. Sa pangatlo kaya.
Mga natin.
Baka natin yung pangatlong atake niya.
Axel Dromal back in the game with Kylo Chavo. Oh, Chavo from mid-range. That rattles out. Oh, the foul. They're calling it on Igliane. Doesn't like it.
Sabi ni Coach Randy, kalma lang.
Holding foul on Mark Igliane.
Hindi makareklamo si Coach Randy
It's
kasi
third
parang
down.
nakita niya rin na hinuwakan
The
sa
second
Igliani
loss
eh.
of Cardinals.
So,
50-50 siya sa pakiramdam niya.
Hindi niya may ano eh. Ito na naman si Normal.
Dromal. Still struggling.
Oh,
In the second game.
Yung tiwala ni Coach Gerson, no?
Eventually, traveling.
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 Tinawag kay Loristo. Pero yung tiwala niya na eventually,
Substitution.
Mahanap
Axel
niya yung
will figure
rhythm
it out.
niya.
Yeah.
Oo, mahanap niya yung rhythm niya. He will
For
make some shots.
Chris Obilio.
And then, everything will follow para dito. Kasi nga, veterano pa rin ito. You will consider Axel Dormal as one of the
Okay.
veteran dito sa AAC.
2 seasons ago, season 98,
Oo.
he was the second leading scorer of the NCAA when he was with Arellano.
Oo.
Mga 16 points a game. So alam mo, meron yan at kaya mag-contribute niyan. Escamis misfires.
Yun yung mga sure ball dati kay Escamis na... Uy!
Nakitawan ni Axel Dromal. Couldn't secure it. Tignan natin to. Kylo Chavo.
Ito yung pasa.
Pero ganda sana nun.
Oo. Hindi mo rin ito kasi it's between the two guys eh.
Yeah.
Between Cortiza and Durumal eh.
Cuenco to the corner.
Wala.
Never mind, si Kylo Chavo back the other way. Gurtiza attacks. Oh, lost the ball. Picked up. Ball is loose. It stays. Hold on. It stays with the AC.
Oh, yan yung sinasabi natin. If you're really sure of
Ayan na.
the situation na hindi ikaw yung naka-last touch, wala talagang foul, and then yan, i-challenge mo.
Okay. So,
Kaya tayo ngayon.
dito na magkakasubukan.
Challenge ni Coach Randy dahil sabi ni Rector hindi siya nakatabi. Hindi magsisinungaling yung
Okay, head
videos
coach
eh, yung
for
camera eh, di ba?
Mabuhay Cardinals for
Ito, hindi. Malayo to.
Dito pa eh.
Si Gurtiza at si Recto, hindi tignan ng referees
Oo.
natin.
Ang ano doon, sa dami ng cameras dito sa NCAA, mahirap eh.
Mahirap, oo.
Mahirap magsinungaling eh.
Makikita yan eh. Ayan, ito yung pasa. Let's check out the tap. Oh.
Medyo close.
Malapit nga.
Medyo
Kasi momentum to si Gurtiza.
Momentum ni Gurtiza eh.
This will be tough for our referees. Kita mo, nakatutok talaga sila sa monitor natin, no?
Gusto nilang kunin yung bola.
Ayan ito.
Sabihin
Lapit
ng mga referee, gusto niyo ba maging referee? Ayun na nga.
EAC basketball.
Tama ang referee natin.
Yeah.
Okay, challenge.
Last touch on
Successful.
Recto.
Okay, ang successful challenge.
Basta bola ng EAC dito.
Oo.
Another chance to get closer. 3 minutes to go in the third. Normal. Loristo turns and fires.
Wala. Rebound na naman para dito kay... I think nakakawalos shot na tong Igliani.
Igliani. Oo.
Even if he only had 2 points, pero yung rebound niya...
9 rebounds na, Rico. Escamis for 3. Wala pa rin para kay Blink. struggling in this stretch.
Oo, after that good start by Clint, medyo nag-struggle siya dito. Ooh!
What a setup by Ochavo. Again, he's been breaking down this Mapua defense, getting himself in the paint and setting up his teammates.
And he's even asking for a foul.
Yeah.
Dun sa
Foul
drive.
on number 0, Clint Escamis, his second
Off
foul.
the screen.
His 13 rounds,
Rewarding his big guy here in Loristo.
Okay, timeout, EAC Generals.
Wala nang choice dun si Clint. Paangat na yung mas matangkad na player. 45-37. Let's go to this ceasefire first.
This is our league. This is our moment.
Mapua was also in the finals. Season 97.
Oh, good defense by Justin Sanchez.
And that's
Being
what
that
he can
help
do.
guy. Yeah, exactly. High school pa lang, yan ang laro niya.
What a pass. Adam Liwag inside with a flex afterwards. And one for Adam Liwag. But let's credit the dish of a charging Justin Sanchez. Look at that. Tap, no look to Adam Liwag. Oh. Commissioner Oji Bernarte in attendance here, brand new commissioner of the NCAA. Big responsibility and staying on top of things. Lalong-lalo na, this is a very competitive season, Big Bo. So,
And I think itong si
Team
ating
Throws
commissioner,
by
I don't know
Jello
if
Loristo.
inabot ko pang referee to sa pro.
Okay.
Yun lang di ko sure ha. So ibig sabihin na, matagal na ako sa pro.
Di ko na nga sinabi.
Yun ang kasunod nun.
Yun yung kasunod.
Ibig sabihin na, matanda na tayo.
ang ano doon, matagal na sa pro si Big Bo. Pero kakapirma lang ng malaking kontrata.
Yun yung mga steady AD lang.
Yan!
Steady AD lang.
Diba?
Pagkakailangan tayo ni Coach, nandiyan lang tayo.
Yan ang ano, Big Bo, yan ang goals ng players natin.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo.
Longevity, ganyan katagal. Pero contributor pa rin.
Kailangan nyo pa rin. May tulong ka pa rin.
Dr. Jose Paulo Campos, policy board member ng Emilio Aguinaldo College. Anim ang abante ng Mapua, JC Recto now with 12 points.
JC Recto!
Tuloy-tuloy ang offensive mindset itong ni JC Recto no? Pag basta makakita siya ng napakaliit na buwang, diretso niya Ang ano pa sa kanya, ang taas yung tumalon. Kaya, still by his stance, miscommunication.
2 minutes!
And Clint will take it straight to the
JC
top.
Recto!
Miscommunication between
That's Clint Escamis scoring.
Loristo and Turtisa. Ito na si Chavo. Wala.
Paikse. Here comes Clint again. Escamis now with 10 points across his name. Anong diskarte niya dito? Hanap. Bigliani. Balik sa labas. Atake ulit si Clint. He floats it up. That's too strong. And it is Gortiza now with the basketball. Gortiza has been silent in this game. Only 4 points. Doramal face-up jumper.
Wala pa rin para dito kay Doromal.
That rolls out.
Maala talaga. Kanina niya pa hinahanap yung offense niya. Talagang maalat lang talaga. The shot was there. It's a good look. Pero wala talaga. Kanina sa labas. Kaya naman at the post naman niya 3-9. Ito na naman si Recto.
Recto, it's Mahmoud. Mahmoud from the corner. Mahmoud knocks it down.
Dolores Maguba!
And now, Mapua has established the biggest lead of the game at 13-52-39. Foul against the Cardinals though.
Ito na naman si Recto.
Okay, foul on number 10. Cyrus Cuenca, his first foul. Substitution.
Turning it up as well. The steal
Harvey
and the score.
Bagsahan.
Susunod dito,
For
Lawrence
Jello
Magubat.
Loristo.
Sa
Nailing
corner.
Two free
pang-apat
throws.
na 3 puntos. Big Bo. Para kay
He
Lawrence
has-
Magubat.
He has a man in front.
Yeah.
Hindi yung talagang open shot. Kanina niya pag gusto yung may tao sa harap Ayaw niya nung libre-libre.
Alam mo, nung naglalaro ito nung high school, kasi nakikita na natin, 18 points per game, so alam nating may kukuha dyan. Question mark kung paano magta-translate yung laro niya. Kasi syempre, mas matatangkad yung players dito,
iba
tapos
na.
mas malalakas din. Pero, pinapakita niya sa atin na kaya niyang
Kaya
dalhin
na.
yung laro niya from high school papunta dito sa college scene. Okay. Puntos para sa EAC mula sa free throw line. And now they're applying the pressure. They are applying it, but they're unable to get the steal. It's a break for Mapua. Habonete inside.
Kita mo naman yung presence of mind nito ni Recto. Alam niya meron na siyang tao sa labas. He's fighting Habonete. Ayo, parang ganun din kay Ochavo.
Mirror play para sa EAC. Ochavo to Bakod.
They were just having, eto, libre-libre.
Habonete libre! Nobody getting John Habonete on the other end.
After a made basket, naiwan si Habonete sa kabila.
Final shot time.
Yun yung nakaka-frustrate para dito sa mga coaches.
Yeah.
Last shot na lang, naka-score pa yung kalaban. Oy!
Tumba si Cairo Chavo. Tignan natin to. Transition play para sa Mapua. JC Recto. Finding Habonete. Ganon din ginawa ng EAC. Ochavo papunta kay Bakod. Pero ito, walang bumantay dito kay Jethro or John Habonete. 4 straight points for him. 3-pointers natin. EAC as a team, 4. Lawrence Mangubat alone has 4 triples in this game. So that created this cushion for the Mapua Cardinals.
That's 12-point lead. Binuhat ni Mangubat yung Mapua.
Along with the fast break opportunities nitong Mapua. Laging ganun Big Bo. Ganda ng simula ng EAC pero hindi nila masustain buong quarter.
Actually.
So Kylo Chavo connects.
Yun ang naging ni Coach Gerson dahil nga yan, nawala si force
may isa pa, tira dito, Gortiza. Kabon! King Gortiza from half court.
They will review the last shot of King Gortiza. Pero ito medyo pinilit itong pasa na to ni Escamis.
Nakakuha ng chance si King.
Basket. I will say it's basket.
Clear as day. It counts.
King Gortiza, 3!
For King Gortiza. So instead of a double-digit lead for Mapua, it's down to 8 at the end of the third. Okay, pagbalik po natin. Fourth and final chapter of this game between Mapua and EAC. NCAA Season 100. We'll be right back. Aguimeñi from the corner. Nope. Inot. Bide. Top meta for the finish.
Forcing